everybody. I'm gonna do a bloom. I'm trying some, I tried some gold cell activator, but didn't seem to really work that well. So instead of wasting it, I added some of my white cell activator to this gold, and I'll try it. I'm gonna use reds and purples. I have a, this is a permanent violet, permanent magenta, and this is the same, but I've added some darker purple to it. So I've got a few different colors here. This is a dark magenta, I guess. I made it myself. I'll put the lighter one on now. This is Winsor Newton Permanent Magenta. It's mixed with my pouring medium, which I have a recipe in my description under my video. If you hit the little arrow there, you'll get a drop down and you'll see. Okay, so I've got this red. I hope this works this time. It's a Prism Violet by Liquidek Basics. Some little air bubbles. Okay. Let's try this and see. I'm gonna use my straw. Well, there's cells, that's for sure. So it works a little better. Maybe I'll put some more here. break some of those air bubbles. I'm just going to move it around a bit. Oh, it's starting to look pretty nice. Got some nice lacing there. I'm liking this now. Some of that white down there off. I think it'll dry shiny because there is metallic in this cell activator. Oh, I'm going to give this another try. I'm going to maybe try a swipe with it. There. What do you think of that? I can't wait to see what it looks like dry. I think it'll be shiny. Anyway, there you go. It's some yellow and gold cell activator. I'll put the colors in the description or in my video. There'll be a description of the colors and what I used. But I like it. I think that's very pretty. Thanks for watching. I'll hold this up again for you. Close up. Awesome. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's art room. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Just came to see my dried tile. Dried awesome. Just seeing if it's got a bit of a shine. Yep, it's good. I love it. Look at this corner. Isn't that cute? Look at those cute little white cells with the pink. And this little line here, I love that. I like my little white corners. Someone said to me, that's kind of your trademark. You seem to do that in a lot of paintings. And I'm like, yeah, I do, and I do like it. Anyway, there you go. Bye-bye.